5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space, with news and information on our U.S. space program. Is your host of About Space, David Denault.
Welcome and thanks for joining me today. Not to alarm you, but if the reports are to be believed, the inner core of the Earth seems to have stopped spinning in the same direction as the rest of the planet. I'll have more and a detailed report on the planet within the planet next, as America and the world is listening to About Space today. Welcome aboard and meet Carnival Cruise Line's new Chief Culinary Officer.
I'm so excited to take on the most sweetest job at sea, Chief Culinary Officer for America's favorite cruise line. I'm really looking forward to helping bring new, exciting, and unique flavors to the Carnival cruise experience. This is not only going to be delicious, but it's also going to be a lot of fun. Emeril Lagasse, Carnival's new Chief Culinary Officer. It does have a nice ring to it, doesn't it? Like, BAM!
Book your fun cruise on Carnival today. Call D&D Cruise and Tours 877-747-8631. That's 877-747-8631, the official agency of About Space. And come see the Caribbean. Welcome back. The Earth's inner core, which is roughly 5,000 kilometers or 3,100 miles below the surface, seems to have been spinning in the opposite direction in comparison to the rest of the planet. The new research, which was published in the Journal of Nature Geoscience in a study conducted by Peking University, which looked to track the inner core's movements. The study said that the rotation of the inner core came, quote, to a near halt around 2009 and then turned in the opposite direction.
The study was conducted by using seismic waves from earthquakes to probe the deepest reaches of our planet. The results of this study suggest that Earth's center pauses and reverses direction on a periodic cycle lasting about 60 to 70 years. This discovery could potentially solve long-standing mysteries about climate and geological phenomena that occur on a similar time frame and affect life on our planet. It's important to note that while the core's rotation does influence Earth's surface environment, scientists believe that this periodic spin switch is a normal part of its behavior and does not pose risks for life on our planet. The Earth's inner core is a solid metal ball that is 75% the size of the Moon. It can spin at different speeds and directions compared to our planet because it is nestled within a liquid outer core, but scientists are not exactly sure how fast it spins or whether its speed varies over time. Located about 3,000 miles beneath our feet, the core experiences such intense pressures that it is likely as hot as the surface of the Sun. Because it is so remote and difficult to study, the inner core remains one of the least understood environments on our planet, though it's clear that it plays a role in many processes that make our world habitable to life, such as the generation of Earth's protective magnetic field, which blocks harmful radiation from reaching the surface. There have been some crazy speculative theories in recent years about if this actually happened, such as the reversal of the Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's inner core plays a crucial role in generating the planet's magnetic field, which helps protect us from harmful radiation. If the core were to suddenly start rotating in the opposite direction, it could cause the magnetic field to reverse, leaving the planet vulnerable to solar radiation. Another theory has been that the inner core's rotation is thought to have an impact on the Earth's tectonic plates, which can cause earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. If the core were to suddenly change direction, it could lead to increased seismic activity, potentially causing widespread destruction. The inner core's rotation is also thought to influence ocean currents and weather patterns. If the core were to suddenly change direction, it could cause widespread climate changes, leading to extreme weather conditions and rising sea levels. It's important to note that these theories are purely speculative and there is no scientific evidence to suggest that a sudden reversal of the Earth's inner core's rotation would actually have these effects now that it has happened. While this may sound alarming, scientists believe that this is a normal part of the inner core's behavior and does not pose risks for life on our planet.
That report should make us all rest better tonight. And here's a trivia question for you. What is the hottest recorded temperature on Earth? 134 degrees Fahrenheit on July 10, 1913, in Death Valley, California. And check out our Facebook page, aboutspace.today, for launches and landings. And invite your family and friends to listen to us weekly. Join Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor, this Friday for America in Space. And to all our listeners around the globe and here in the U.S., thanks for joining me. I'm David Denault, and this has been About Space Today.